Welcome, Aspiring Mocktail Mixologists, to my Mixology channel. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe now and click the bell icon to never miss any liquid magic series. I would like to say, may God bless us all this year 2025 with good health, love, and success. For today's video, guys, is the continuation of our second Lavender Mocktail series. This mocktail is titled Amethyst Going on Vacation, one of my favorite characters in Steven Universe as well. So what are you waiting for? Let's do this right now! Here are the following ingredients to make this beautiful mocktail. And for the full recipe, it is located in the video down below or in the description of this video. The following ingredients are lavender syrup, Sprite, coconut syrup, lemon juice, violet food coloring to enhance its violet color. Garnishes are basil leaves, toasted lemon slices, and edible gold glitter, where you can buy it in baking stores or online shops. We are using a rock glass because we want it to be a lavender-centered flavor mocktail. We won't be using a cobbler shaker because we will be doing the building method. So welcome, aspiring mixologists or mocktail enthusiasts. For today, guys, we are doing our second mocktail series of the lavender flavor. And for today's title of our mocktail is Amethyst Going on Vacation. And yes, we are wearing the right color, guys, of the Lavender Mocktail series. This character is Amethyst from the Steven Universe cartoon show that we all love. So let's do this right now. The first step is to add a generous amount of lavender syrup to the rock glass. For a unique flavor, let's add 1 bar spoon of coconut syrup. To brighten up the flavor, let's add lemon juice. The next step is to add our violet food coloring. To combine the flavor and color, let's add Sprite. Mix the drinks until they are well combined. We add Sprite to give that lively and refreshing taste. Then, let's add more lemon juice. We use large eyes for our rock glasses because despite of its smallness in size, we want to show its unique characteristics, that it is bold, flavorful, and state-of-the-art in presentation. To fill the glass, top up with more Sprite. Aspiring mixologists, to ensure that your drink is top-notch in quality and flavor, you have to taste it first before serving. I want to add more coconut syrup to our drink to level up the flavor. Stir everything again to combine all the flavors. Then, let's add our garnishes. We will add the toasted lemon first. To toast these lemon slices, I used a blowtorch. For color contrast and fragrance, let's add basil leaves. This step is not optional. We have to add this because it serves as my signature mocktail, which is gold glitter. Of course, we are using a rock glass. We have to make it aesthetically pleasing and visually attractive. It depends on you how would you like to plate it and present your rock glasses. I'm just showing you the basics. I present to you my second lavender mocktail, Amethyst Going on Vacation. So let's turn up the music.